this vlog early morning. Time check natin is 5:45.
Yeah.
So we left San Fernando around 5 a.m. Madilim pa actually. Yeah, we were invited today to fly that thing. Look at that! Excited, Jan? Excited? First time
experience.
First time experience. Alright. First time. Let's do this.
Itong facility natin, malaki, no? Yung runway is 1.280 kilometer.
1.280. Anong tawag natin dito, sir? Ultralight
Aircraft, Quicksilver.
Ultralight aircraft. So I'm with Sir Robert right now.
Sports flying, around 6-7 years.
Okay.
So sports flying, but I've been flying earlier than that, other aircraft. Far as I can remember, around 2003.
Around 2003, sir, you started na. I see. Now, what do we have? What do we have sa ano natin right now? What do we call this?
Ito ang ating instrument pad. So dito natin nakikita yung informations about the flight. No, airspeed, yung ating power, yung mga temperature parameters ng engine natin. So dito mo lahat siya makikita, lahat ng information.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start up.
Clear!
Kind of aircraft, it's flown visual, no? Ito, checking ka, and then mostly we depend on horizon.
Yes.
Ito yung tinatawag kasi na seat of the pants flying. You be one with the aircraft. It takes practice, no?
Yes.
To be able to be proficient enough. Any aircraft is flown the same, no? Maliit, malaki. It's flown the same. You have your rudder pedals. Okay, yung nasa foot natin, that's rudder pedals. And you have your stick or yoke to control yung apat na axis mo on flight. It's a combination of both, no? When you're flying.
Okay.
It's a combination of both. For this flight, siguro mga 500 to 800 feet.
Okay. And then how high can this aircraft go?
This could go up to probably 10,000 feet until you can breathe. Kaya lang kasi dito sa Philippines, merong envelope for ultralight aircraft, which is 800 feet AGL. Parang meron din kasi tayong kalsada sa taas, no? Hindi lahat pwede mo daanan. So sineseparate din siya for other aircraft, for other traffic.
Now I understand.
Yeah. At saka ito, normally these aircraft are designed to fly not very high. Alright!
Grabe. Sarap.
Alright.
Huwag mo na pakita tayo dyan. Yan. Kasi okay na. Yan.
Right, so it's John's turn.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
So, syempre, kinakabahan ng konti. Dahil first time natin. So, okay. So, di ko alam anong mangyayari sa taas.
Actually, si Sir Robert bro, kahapon lang daw siya natutong magpalipad, so good luck. Good luck, brother.
I'll bring prayers.
So kasama natin ngayon si Sir Eric, also known as Sir Buds. So siya yung nag-invite sa atin, and yun nga, we are thankful that na-invite kami dito sa Pradera Flying School?
Flying Club.
Flying Club, sorry.
Soon.
Yeah, walk through us, Sir Eric.
So this is a light sports aircraft, also known as Quicksilver 2SE. It's a brand new aircraft. So where it comes to safety, okay siya. And we have a maintenance team here. This Flying Club pala, na we offer hobby o sports flying. Hindi siya lang for pilots, okay? Pwede siya kahit ano, doctors, businessman, yan.
Even civilian.
Yeah, even civil. Basta if you want to fly,
Yes.
pwede. Tuturuan namin kayo. Hindi lang siya about kung gusto mo, discovery flight, ganyan.
Yes. So when we say discovery flights, anong ibig sabihin nun?
So discovery flights, lilibot tayo dito sa Pampanga. Gonna appreciate Pampanga from above because of its geographical figure.
Actually.
Makikita mo yung Pinatubo from
Yes,
above,
yes.
Mount Arayat,
Yes.
around Lubao. Makikita mo yung beauty ng Pampanga above. So yun yung target namin.
There you
Yung
go.
tourism here in Lubao.
Yes.
So yun yung target namin. Ipakita sa kanila yung geographical figures ng Pampanga.
Bro, can you hear me? Para ka daw sumakay ng roller coaster. Para ka daw sumakay ng roller coaster. How was the experience?
Ay, sobrang kakaiba. Yung thrill talaga siguro from chill ka lang sa una, hanggang biglang hawak sa lahat ng mahawakan mo. Lalo na pag yung nagmamaneuver na yung pilot.
Yes.
Talagang hanggat maaari, humawak ka.
Actually, siguro yung talagang pinaka-take away natin in this kind of hobby, if we may say, no, parang ganun, is muna-una, sabi mo yung thrill. Pangalawa is the experience. You get to see a breathtaking scene dito sa Pampanga.
Kumbaga makikita mo yung ganda ng Pampanga from above.
From bird's eye view. Literally.
Literal bird's eye view.
Will you promote it, endorse it?
Siyempre, actually, ang gandang startup nito ng tourism sa Pampanga. Kasi maliban sa mga ibang lugar, at least nagsistart na yung Pradera to go for the mga ganitong experience, mga ultra lightweight na mga
aircraft. Yep.
So at least ito yung magiging startup ng tourism, especially dito sa Lubao. And soon, mas malaking mga airplanes naman nandito. So something na look forward natin.
In the future, parang meron tayong aircraft Uber dito.
Yes. Baka daw magkaroon ng skydiving dito.
Skydiving.
Pero,
Yeah.
hintayin natin yan.
Soon.
Tingnan natin.
So yeah, we would like to thank Pradera for inviting us, Pradera Flying Club.
This is something new and something to experience dito sa Pampanga. So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next travel discovery. Let's go.
Peace out.
Peace out.